Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to discuss with you Puriproduce fruit and vegetable purifier. So you might be wondering, what is Puriproduce? Now, Puriproduce here is a countertop fruit and vegetable cleaning device designed to clean produce using water and a small amount of salt, without soaps or special clean solutions. Now, according to the official website, it is designed to help loosen and remove dirt, grime, and everyday residues from the surface of fruits and vegetables. Now, the device uses what the company calls advanced activation technology. Now, you place the device in a bowl containing water, salt, and your produce, then activate the cleaning cycle. The website says the process creates a cleaning environment that helps loosen residues from the produce. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, according to them, you first need to fill a clean bowl with tap water and add the recommended small amount of salt. Now, from then on, you want to go and just place the fruits or vegetables into the bowl, submerge pre-produce according to the markings on the device, and press the power button. Let the cleaning cycle run for a few minutes. Now, when finished, remove the produce, give it a quick rinse, and it's pretty much ready to use. Now, the website here describes Puriproduce here as a hands-free, portable, and compact, making it suitable for everyday produce preparation, meal prep, and use at home, in an office, or even while traveling. Now, the official website offers a 60-day money-back guarantee, as you can see right now, and states that shipping is free. So, in simpler terms here, Puriproduce here is a produce cleaning device that uses activated water and salt to clean or help clean fruits and vegetables, followed by a normal rinse before eating. Now, currently, if you try visiting their website here, currently Puriproduce here is priced at around $79.75, from the original price $179.98. So you are going to get some form of discount or a promotional discount here as of this moment. But yeah, and since this is a product, or since this product is used for food preparation, following the manufacturer's instructions is recommended, and consulting qualified professionals, or even like doing your own research and reading reviews outside the website, is quite advisable here if you have specific food safety concerns, or if you just want to make sure that you are getting the best out of your money. Also, if you have specific questions about the product itself, you can also visit their website and try contacting them via their contact page here. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.